Hello guys, in this video we will learn about queen sacrifice. Without further ado, let's get started. In the game of chess, a queen sacrifice refers to a strategic move where a player willingly gives up their queen, the most powerful piece on the board, in exchange for a positional advantage or a potential checkmate. It is a bold and often unexpected maneuver that can dramatically shift the balance of the game. A queen sacrifice is typically employed when the player sees an opportunity to exploit weaknesses in their opponent's position or to launch a powerful attack. Here, the queen sacrifices itself on a6 so that it can checkmate the king. After the pawn takes, we take with our bishop. Now he has to block with the knight. Then we take the knight and give him check. The king has one square, which is b8. Then we checkmate the king with our knight. Queen sacrifices are considered to be highly tactical and require precise calculation and evaluation of the resulting position. They can be seen in various chess openings and middle game positions. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and I will meet you in the next video. Bye.